Well, got the front tires nailed on it. Got a mirror sort of cleaned off. The path, exit path, somewhat cleared out, and Rick's backing the Tahoe around. And excuse me, we're going to try to hook a chain on this and drag it out. I was wrong, the rear tires had both went down a little bit. Got a clevis on there, and we're going to use a short chain with this, mainly because we have a really tight area that we got to get around, and a long chain would make that extremely difficult to make it turn, as Rick so eloquently pointed out. I wouldn't even think about that, but I brought a long chain just in case. Good. All right. All right. Okay, we're hooked up. Yeah, we're hooked it up, and I know this thing will probably not have any brakes whatsoever. So go just as slow as possible. And I've got the window down here where I can hopefully hear you. If you don't think I'm hearing you, honk the horn or something, or because I won't be able to honk the horn on this. So
Yeah, I think the battery's so low.
it might be. I don't know. You know, Tibbs had the best of luck with stuff like that, though.